Hello, welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't been here before, you know the rules. You gotta hit that subscribe and those likes and watch the video in its entirety. I guess that matters now. Or so if you got a bunch of videos that you haven't watched before from other people, and you got a little bit left, just go back and hook them up, man. We're here for you. But yeah, I got a friend of mine here who down here in Florida, we got a lot of carports, and ended up managing to rip off his molding. So we went down to Infinity, ordered a brand new part, and it came in the other day, but it was the weekend. So, yeah, that's straight from Nissan. So I'm gonna have to open this up, and it most likely will be painted. So I'm trying to do this all with one hand. Uh-oh. You gotta love us one-handers with no tripods. Oh yes, it has the retainers, it's got all the tabs. Only thing I need to worry about is popping out all the old broken ones, and that'll work. Then just slide this thing back on. Like I said, it is painted. It's typical of the certain Nissan models. So it's almost identical. I want to give it a nice wipe down, mess with those clips, and be right with you guys. Just hang tight, people. I just need to keep looking at it because I see the wrinkling in the panel here by the clips. So I'm having a bunch of mental farts. I'm gonna have to push it around. I don't carry a body hammer with me, so see, that one's pretty deep. Paint chip and everything. Well, let me get all these bag clips out, and which is nothing. You just pretty much push them through or pull them off from the rear. There's a liner under here, like this one here. This one's got a clip just sitting right here. I can get it with my hand, but I'd rather use some pliers to trim off the edge here. So let me take care of that, and I'll get to you guys at the next point. All right, I'm at the part where I removed all these tabs that were inside the bumper where it connects from here. You see, it comes with them brand new. They were just broken off. They were designed like that. These newer cars, everything's designed for your safety, yours and mine. To fall apart and deteriorate. All I used was my handy dandy little pry tool, like I gotta do here, being careful, so it just pops out. Then I gotta reach in, I believe, from the back for those, but I've got some wrinkling. So I might want to mess with that. So I gotta work these other clips out. Now you get to that, you know what I mean? You gotta reach in here. I don't know if you guys can see. You gotta reach in there. It's like a cloth liner. It goes all the way around. That's what I reach behind to get the initial clips. And then I'll get these clips out and get set up for install. Remove the screws. There's a clip here that's broken off. That's a little push clip. Yeah, I got a tool for that though. So let me like I said, let me get these clips out, wipe it down, and throw the other one on. Alright, I'm at the point where I got it all wiped down and stuff like that. I just gotta wipe it down. I'm gonna see what I can do with these scuffs by hand because I don't have anything here. Don't mind the background noise. I'm at the customer's house, so everybody's home, you know, so stuff's getting done. I can't do much without what give it a nice little polish. I got some solvents that'll bring it down, and everything's all set. Just gotta I had one of the clips. This is one of those clips that run along all the way up to that point. You don't need it, but they're in there. If you push down on it correctly, you'll it's got little sorry, it's got little tabs. Here's one up top, here's one there at the bottom. You just push them in with a little pry tool, like a little pick tool, and you slide right out. Those imprints are still in there. Trying to push it in a little bit. I probably should be wearing gloves and stuff, but it's not me. That one's more in than out. Alright, so everything should just snap in place. I'll get back at you guys there. All you gotta do is just line it up, line up all the holes, and pop it in place, and then screw everything back together. Alright, I'm at the point where we can just start clicking everything in. You see the tabs here, it just goes into the hole. Now the worst part is right here. You gotta make sure it's got like a little lip on the new unit. You gotta kind of slide it in there. Line up that clip, the bottom one. Can I get it in there? Come on, I can't even see it with this. Believe me, there's a clip down there. Yeah, you might see it right there. Yes. Once you line that up, you get it up here to where the red pegs are, and just start snapping it in. As long as you get it on there properly. Say one-handed, pain in the butt. So let me take care of that real quick before I damage anything. Let me just snap it in. Like I said, it's hard one-handed, but yeah, I'll snap it in. Alright, so now I got it all clicked in and nice and firm and flush. A little bit of bending it back with my finger, that helps in that. See the line, it's nice and tight. Now I just got to snap it into the bumper. There's some clips here that I forgot to pop in. I got to take them off the old unit. Let's see. That clip right there, I got to put in that liner. So once I transfer that over and apply them where they belong, that way I can just snap it in, screw it in, and send this thing out. It's going to come in for some work with me, but we'll see. We're still discussing prices. All right, I got all those clips established. I got the screws started. It's a little hex head. Like I said, it's a little hex head, and you can do it by hand. So I'm gonna bang these out real quick, and it's only 4 screws, and she's good to go. All right, well, that's everything all tightened up, except for that one clip here that's broken. I can punch that out later. I just want to remember. So this vehicle will be back in my possession not too much longer from now, so I'll be able to clean up whatever I didn't do now. So thank you guys for coming through again. Come spend some time, man. I got all types of stuff like this. So, man, if you got these kind of cars, just hit me up.